This video is to show you how to change the racks in your Frigidaire dishwasher. These dishwashers are great, but what you're going to find is over time, the coating wears off of the racks and they start to rust out and you need to change them. There's a simple fix. Check the link below. We got you covered. They'll bring them right to your door and you're just going to change them out. The bottom one's real simple. You're just going to pull it straight out, just like that. And we're going to take the new one and slide it right inside. All right, now to change out the top rack, it's a little different because this is clipped in. There's a clip here on the side. You're just going to pull down on the bottom of it or release. You can slide it out just like that. We'll do the same thing on this side. Then we'll take the whole thing out. Now we're going to take the new top rack. You're going to see these little wheels on the side. They're going to go right into the existing rails here in the dishwasher. And now the last step is to take these little tabs and we're going to put them back on the edge. You can see it pops out just like that. I'm going to slide this in all the way down. It snaps right into place and that'll keep those wheels from coming all the way out. Do that on this side. And you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.